Many of you have had questions about letter C on the production possibility curve homework that deals specifically with iron and steel. And question C says, suppose new technology allows the firm to produce twice as much steel as shown above, but does not affect its iron production. Draw the new production possibility curve and label it FF. So what we're going to do is we're going to be producing twice as much steel. So at point A, we're still going to be producing 0. But at point B, we're going to be producing 12. At point C, we're going to be producing 20. And at point D, we're going to be producing 24. You would graph that the same way you would graph your first production possibility curve, which we covered on an earlier video. But the question that a lot of people are having is, will this raise or lower the opportunity cost of producing 12 tons of steel? Well, to look at that, we need to take a look at how much we're producing of iron when we're first producing 12 tons of steel. At point D, before the increase in production, we were producing 12 tons of steel. How many units of iron, how many tons of iron we're producing? 0. Okay, so as we were making 12 tons of steel, we were making 0 units of iron. Now we have an increase in the production possibility, and now we are making 12 units of steel here and still making 12 units of iron, or 12 tons of steel and 12 tons of iron. So in this case, when we're making 12 tons of steel, we're actually lowering our opportunity cost because we're still able to make 12 tons of iron. As opposed to previously, we made 12 tons of steel, we had 0 tons of iron. Now, because of the increase in production, we have 12 tons of steel, and we're still able to produce 12 tons of iron.